Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing the aiming method in Mobile Legends. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Changing the aiming method in Mobile Legends is easy. To do it, tap the settings icon from the top right of the app dashboard. In Settings, tap Controls from the left sidebar. You can change your aiming method here. You can select Free Aim, Advanced Aim and Lock On Aim. Choose the one that best suits your playstyle. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Mobile Legends tips and tricks.